Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge Hub. And in the series of HTML tutorials, today we will be looking for image tag in HTML. How to insert an image in HTML page. So let's start the video. First of all, let's see an example of a Word document. How we do the same thing in the Word document. Like in the last video we saw the example. So when we insert an image into a Word document, we simply go to insert a picture, and then we go to the folder wherever we want to go, and we just simply select the image, and the image is here. The same thing we will check out with HTML, how to implement image tag in HTML. So let's start. We will edit the same example as of the last video. So we will open it with Notepad. So last time we implemented paragraph tag, bold and underline tag. This time let's do an addition with it and insert an image tag. So for image tag, the name of the tag is img. So this is the image tag, and what we have to do now, we have to provide the path of the image to this tag so that the tag may retrieve the image from its location. So therefore for that we use src. This is called an attribute, and we will learn about attributes in our upcoming videos. So source is the src, is the attribute of our image tag. So let's use this image for this example. So we will give its path. Its path is right here, and thereafter we will give the name of the image. We will copy this and we will simply paste here. Now let's save the program and let's check the output. See, here is the image that we used. Now this image we have used from our local system, and it was on our system in the same folder. Now let's see the same example by using an image which is located online. So whenever we are developing a website, our images are all kept online so that it can be accessible from anywhere. So let's see an example of the same. So let's download an image. We will not download an image, we will just copy the path. We'll open the image, the new tab, and we will check its path, and we will simply copy the path, and we will replace the path from the new one. So the source of the image is now this, because the image is located at this path. So let's save the file and check the output again. Be sure that for this example you need an internet connection to your system. Without that you will not be able to access this path. So let's open the program. See, here are we. So now this is the image that we have used from an online source. You can see it is the same image with the same path. So in today's video we have learned how to use image tag and its source attribute, how to use an image which is located at the local system, and how to use an image which is located online. So that's all for the today's video. We will meet with a new video again, and please like the video, share the video, subscribe our channel, and stay updated. Thank you and stay safe.